Welcome to this brief guide on how to hide your social graph on Mastodon. As more and more users come across to Mastodon from other social media services such as Twitter every single day, you may wish to look at locking your account down and preventing unwanted followers or even hiding the list of those that you follow. Today I'll show you how to do that. Here you can see I'm inside my Mastodon client and I'm going to click on my profile, and here you can see the usual information at the top, but you can also see that I am following currently 282 people and I have 928 followers. And clicking on these, I can actually see a list of all of those accounts that I follow. Now, I want to know, how do I keep this private from others so that they can't see it? Well, that's really easy to do. We simply head to our preferences, which can be found on that menu on the right hand side. And inside the preferences, we want to head to our profile option. Selecting the profile option will give us the ability to edit our bio and things like that, but in these boxes in the middle, we have the ability to quickly and easily hide our social graph. This will block people from being able to see who it is that you follow as well as who follows you. While you're here, you also have the ability to require follow requests, and you'll know that's activated with the padlock on your account. And you can even choose whether or not your account is suggested to strangers through the recommendations, trends, and other features. This is easy to toggle on and off at will. Once you've selected the options that you would like, make sure you hit the Save Changes button in the top corner, otherwise these changes won't be saved. And now that I can see my changes have been successfully saved, I can head back to Mastodon. And in order to show you what this will look like when other users head to your profile, I'll need to utilize someone else's account for this demonstration. So in this case, I've got someone that I follow named James. I'm going to click on James's username, which will bring me over to his profile, and you'll notice that he is on a different instance to me. James's account is located on mastodon.world. That's important because if James was located on the same instance as me, I'd be able to come down here and click on the list of his following accounts, and I'd be able to see them direct from my instance. Because James is on a different instance to me, I need to use the link here to be able to browse his original profile on the mastodon.world instance. Now that I've selected that link, it's brought me over directly to the mastodon.world instance in a new tab. And if I head down to that same section, I can click on the list of accounts that James is following. But what you'll notice is it says here that this user doesn't follow anyone yet. This is obviously not the case because I can see that he's following a lot of accounts. I can also see that he's got a lot of followers, but I can't see a list of these users. That's because James has his social graph hidden. Now, the reason that I needed to utilize another account in order to show that is because if I head back to my profile and click on the list of people that I'm following, even though I have my social graph hidden, these accounts are still visible to me from inside my profile. And that is how you hide and unhide your social graph on Mastodon. I hope you found this tip extremely useful and it makes your Mastodon experience just that much better, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.